What's up guys? Today, I'm here to show you how to get a Club Penguin membership for free. Yes, that's right. No glitches, no hacks. I swear this is legal. And it's insane, it still works today. But first, let me just talk about my life for a bit. As you can tell, I got this new microphone right here. And let me tell you, it is the bomb. It's primo, dude. And God, I don't have to use Notepad anymore. And guess what else? I got Windows Movie Maker, so you can enjoy this epic music in the background. It's so fast. Let me just toss in a Nyan Cat down there. Epic! Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. So first, you want to open up Internet Explorer, everyone's favorite browser. And then you want to go to, like, it doesn't matter what homepage you're on, just go to, go to Bing. Alright, go to Bing, and then refresh the page 5 times. It has to be exactly 5 in a row, or else it won't work. And after that, you want to search Club Penguin. And then, alright, let's just click on... Oh. And that's how you unlock Waluigi in Super Mario 64. See ya next time, bitches!